With Lynda Hawkins Homes, and we're here with the right results. Today I'm going to be talking about how to save money and make more money when you sell your house. Now, before you ever put your house on the market, you're going to want to have a serious conversation about finances with your realtor. And part of that is what repairs you do and don't want to do before it goes on the market. And I really want to encourage you to look at your budget and say, what are the things I can do that will give me at least 2 times a return on my investment in those repairs or renovations. Now, the first one is looking at it as if the house were being appraised. Certain things, for example, one of my clients has an investment property that's going up next month. And this house they bought it as a 2-bedroom and they've been using it as a 2-bedroom. But in fact, an appraiser would tell them that it's only a 1-bedroom because only one of those rooms has a closet. It is definitely worth thousands of dollars to my client for them to take time, put a small closet, usable closet, in the corner of that bedroom. Whatever it cost them, maybe it cost them $1,000 because they get someone special, but they will get $5,000 to $10,000 back on that investment. The second one is to talk about renovations. Now, a lot of times people don't do any renovations after the first 6 months they move into their home. That's not uncommon at all. And when you say, oh, we may need to replace the carpet, they're thinking, but the new owner might prefer a different flooring. Well, that's absolutely true. However, buyers want the house they move into to be move-in ready, even if they plan to change everything. So have your house ready to go. That is worth getting new carpet or an investment in renovations in the kitchen and other places, but make sure you talk to your realtor that those renovations are equal to the values in the neighborhood. You don't want to over improve and you don't want to under improve. You do that, you will get the greatest return. And last are those major repairs. Perhaps your roof leaks, or there's a crack in the foundation, or the HVAC is about to go. And you're thinking, I don't want to deal with any of that. Here's the thing. The buyer will have an inspector, and he or she will come back and ask for those repairs to be made. Wouldn't you rather do those repairs on your own terms and at your own cost rather than them directing it or threatening to walk away if you don't do it at that point? All these things can make a huge difference in terms of how much you can list your house for, how much it will sell for, and how much you need to or don't need to do in terms of repairs once it's under contract. Really want to encourage you, if you have any additional questions, give me a call, 404-432-4517, or be sure and talk to your local realtor before you put your house on the market. And again, this is Lynda Hawkins, The Right Results.